Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm Natasha. If you're new here, and if you are, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you know exactly when I post a new upload. And we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So today I'm gonna be doing a braid out on my locks. I washed them last night, so they're freshly washed. And yeah, I want to do a braid out because I definitely need to retighten my hair. Let's see. Look at how much new growth I have. So yeah, I definitely do need to retighten my hair, but I feel like my braid out looks best on unretightened hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do a braid out. It's been 2 months since my last retighten. I retightened in November around Thanksgiving. So yeah, it's been about 2 months. So I feel like I can hold out for a third one, even though I do have a lot of new growth. I just don't like to retighten my hair too often because you are weakening your roots if you do it too much, and I don't want my locks to be falling out of my head. So I'm gonna show you the products that I'm using today. So of course I'm gonna use my spray bottle with just regular water, and I'm gonna use this twist out foam by Jane Carter's. So yeah, I just use this for extra hold, and it makes the braid out like really crinkly. So yeah, and then after I finish doing all my braids, I'm gonna use these two products for my edges. Then to hold the braids, I'm just gonna use some rubber bands. So let me separate my hair using these scrunchies into 2 sections. Basically, I'm just gonna take 3 strands, not 6, 3 strands of hair and braid it. So I have 3 strands here. Okay, I'm gonna spritz a little bit of water because, like I said, my hair is freshly washed, so it's moisturized. I put oil in it already. And then I'm gonna go in with some of the foam, just about that much. And then braid. And like I said, I'm not retightening or twisting my hair. I'm just braiding, doing a braid out. And then take a rubber band and seal your ends. I do like to fold my ends up like that, and then put the rubber band on. So you should have something that looks like that at the end. And yeah. front is finished. And I'm gonna finish up the back and then I'll be right back. Okay, let's see what we have. It kind of looks like I have a short haircut or something, but yeah, this is pretty much it. With me having done my edges and all, the braids are done, my edges are done. I put my scarf on for about 30 minutes to just hold the edges down in place. And yeah, you could probably just wear your hair like this. You could put scarves on, you could put it in ponytails. I personally don't like to put my braids into ponytails because I don't want to put too much tension on my hair because it's being styled. So yeah, and I will come back in about a week to show you the results. Okay, so it's been about 4 days already, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out the braids. I already took this rubber band off. I have a headache right now, y'all, so if I'm looking like I don't feel well, that's why. I don't know where this headache is coming from, but I think it's my sinuses or something, so just bear with me. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. And this is the finished look. Hopefully I got all the braids out. did check, but you know, you always end up missing 1 or 2 braids, but I think I got them all out. So this is the finished results, or not the finished, but this is the results of the braid out. Very defined crinkles, and I should be able to keep my hair in a braid out, or you know, in this crinkly state for at least 2 weeks if I wanted to. And I may stretch it out for that long because then I want to retighten my hair after I, you know, wash out this braid out. But yeah, this is the finished look. You can definitely style it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I think I explained it pretty well, but if anything I did or said was confusing, just let me know in the comments and I will try to clear things up for you. I saw something in my hair. Yeah, I did. Okay, what is this? So yeah, any questions, leave them in the comments. I am about to go shower and get ready for bed. So to preserve my braid out, I just put on a scarf. I don't have a bonnet. I never wear a bonnet to bed. I always end up putting on my scarf. But if you have a bonnet, you can use your bonnet, of course, to keep your curls intact. But yeah, these are the results. And I will see you guys in my next video.